So me and the boys are on our way back from Brainerd International Raceway. We were up there for their map proving ground weekend. It's a weekend of subcompacts, imports, drag racing, autocross, drifting, that kind of thing. But anyway, I got a call from my brother. One of his buddies is selling his Miata and wants to sell it super cheap, and asked if I'd be interested. And I'm very interested because I've been wanting to buy a cheap Miata for a while now so I can get back into autocross. It's a hobby I was into for several years, and I don't know much about this car, but it's in Elk River on our way home, so we're going to stop and check it out. I don't know, guys. I don't buy this. I mean, the body's just so solid. There's no rust on this thing. Got the interior. It's just an auto. So what? How much would you pay for this car?
Now to see it, probably like $350.
$350? Nay, what would you pay for this car?
$500.
$500?
Maybe $1,000.
I wouldn't pay $1,000, but $400 could be. Oh. The mold on the seat.
Ew. See. Oh, that is so good.
I'm gonna shot. See if it clamps on.
You're right.
I don't know. It's in the plastic window back. Still there.
Take the top off. It doesn't go on.
Here, hold this. I want to place here.
Yeah, we're sure they forgot.
I've never done a Miata top before. Okay, so see. For some reason it's not.
Down.
Just won't.
My name is David.
All right, let's call the owner here and see what he has to say.
Yes, it is a fantastic car, but I would actually buy that red car, that other red car, not the old Mitsubishi. Yeah. Times in a row. Hi.
Hey, David Black. Period. Give me a call and let's talk about this Miata. Period.
Or is it?
It's in rough shape, but could have potential. Period.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I may be interested. Period. All right, let's see.